Hi, this is Quick Pro Designs Tutorials. My name is Regan, and today I'm going to show you how to make shadows onto objects or images on Coreldraw. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're back onto Coreldraw. I already have the whole canvas set out for you with two products. So the first one, we're going to use Coreldraw's built-in shadow. Okay, so we come to this bottom, this tool, I'm going to click hold it, and then we select the shadow. So in order to use the shadow, the object that's selected or the image that's selected, you can just click drag and leave it. I mean, that's the shadow that it creates for you. And I feel like this is lazy shadowing. See, you can drag it to any side that you want. This will maybe work for if you're working with text or some other stuff. But if you design in catalogs, magazines, with products or people, and you want to create realistic shadows for it, it doesn't work. So I'm gonna show you the best way for creating shadows on Coreldraw. Okay, so I'm gonna head to the second image on the right hand side. So what I do is I select the pen tool. If you can't find the pen tool, look for the freehand tool. You click hold it, and then you select the pen tool. So I'm gonna zoom in a bit right here. Underneath here, I'm gonna draw a bit of a shape underneath it. I like to imagine how my shadows will look if there's already light. Okay, that shape I just created, I'm going to fill it black, remove the outer line, and then I'm going to send it to the back of this image. And what I will do next, I'll go to bitmaps, convert to bitmap, then I'll convert to bitmap at a resolution of 300. Well, the resolution really depends on you, but I'm going to stick with 300 for this tutorial. Once that's done, I'm going to look for my effects or blur options. Then I'm going to choose Gaussian blur. Then I'm going to select whichever one that I feel will work for me. See, the more you go, it's going to disappear. So I'm going to look for, let's say, this one. Click OK. Go to your transparency tool. Whilst the shadow just created is still selected, I'm going to click drag from at least here to there. I mean, that looks way better. What I can also do, I can duplicate it. Whilst it's still selected, I can duplicate Ctrl D, bring it right back there so that it looks much darker. See? So tell me, the default Corel shadow or the one we just created? Which one is better? Once again, my name is Regan on Quick Pro Designs Tutorials. We'll see you soon. Cheers, bye-bye.